We are at the Sterling Resort. It had quite an eventful day today. पहले तो गूगल ने हमको हमारे रूट को चेंज किया. पहले 20 किलोमीटर्स दिखा रहा था, फिर 10 किलोमीटर्स, फिर then after that suddenly it changed and rerouted us and put us on a very bad road. फिर उसके बाद हम जब यहाँ पहुँच रहे थे तो then again we got lost. We got lost for about 45 minutes to 1 hour, and we were just roaming around because we were not able to find the resort. So somehow we were put on a route which was a different route. मगर उस वजह से क्या हुआ कि we could explore this region completely, you know, whatever could realize it is so beautiful. I have seen it before in the photographs, movies and all, but by God, seeing it with your eyes, this is a very beautiful place. I have been to Kerala and all other places which are anyway so beautiful, but it is at par. This place, the villages and the roads and the coconut plantation with the rice paddy fields, amazing. So tomorrow I'll be trying to capture some of those. We have already captured while we were coming on our way. So yeah, while hunting for sterling. So उसमें कुछ capture हुआ, but I'll try to capture more using the drone and during sunrise sunset time, so that you guys can see a more beautiful picture, or you know, the area, to know more about the area. So this is a place we are having a tea. It's like a courtyard, and open from the top, and rooms all around. So I'll take through the round of our room and all later. The place is surrounded by ponds on two sides, full with lotus plants. It's a nice serene place. So this is entrance to our room. The room is quite large, and there is a window which overlooks the lake, and there is a window here, so all coconut fields can be seen from here. And there is a veranda here. And our bike, as usual, parked near our room. So they were kind enough to allow us to park the bike here. It becomes very convenient for us to mount and unmount the luggage. Sun is setting in the background, and हम ये जो pond बना हुआ है उसके बीच में एक रास्ता बना है. Trying to just explore that area. Tomorrow I'll take some drone shots here. That will look nice. give a top view of the pond and idea about the property. Overall a nice place. So here we go. These are few cottages. Coconut fields here. About 1 kilometer from here is Godavari River. So we will be in the morning, we'll be going there to witness the sunrise. And then we will go to the fields, the paddy fields, and I'll try to take some drone shots. This is the security area, and this is the adventure sport. Little bit of army nets and to do some activities inside. I think they have a lot of activities. Otherwise, when they have people around here, they have bicycles and few other trails. But due to COVID, I think everything is put on hold. Most of the places, that's what we have observed. सुबह तो हम आएंगे, हम अगर हमारा मन नहीं माना कि अभी भी देख के आते हैं रिवर तक वॉक करते हुए आ गए हम लोग. इट्स वेरी नियर बाय एंड इट्स ब्यूटीफुल आउट हियर. Just pan around. This is the river.